The box contains 5 red balls and 15 yellow balls. A ball is taken from the bag, its colour noted, and then it is not returned to the bag. So this is similar to the previous example, but the probabilities are going to be changing. If you take out a yellow ball, for example, the bag then has 19 balls in it, 5 red and 14 yellow. And then when you take the next one out, it's got 18 balls and so on. What is the probability that the 5th ball taken is the 2nd red ball taken? Well, we're still going to have those same possible ways of this happening. So we could have red and then 3 yellows followed by a red. And we could have yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red. And we could have yellow, yellow, red, yellow, red. And finally, we could start off with 3 yellows and then have 2 reds. All of those fit the bill. So, getting a red the first time is obviously 5 out of 20. Then think about what the bag contains. It's got 4 red and 15 yellow at this stage. So to get a yellow next would be 15 out of 19. And we then have 4 red and 14 yellow. So to get a yellow now is 14 out of 18. Then to get a yellow the next time is going to be 13 out of 17. And to get a red at the end is 4 out of 16. Let's just go through the second one. To get a yellow the first time is 15 out of 20. Then to get a red would be 5 out of 19. To get a yellow next would be 14 out of 18. The next yellow is 13 out of 17, and the final red is 4 out of 16. What you should notice here is that despite the fact that the order is a bit mixed up, the numerators and denominators are the same. And therefore, both of these, when calculated, will come to the same value. So we can still do this by just taking the first one, 5 over 20 times 15 over 19 times 14 over 18 times 13 over 17 times 4 over 16, and just multiplying it by the 4 different ways that this can happen. So as you can see, I've calculated that, and the answer comes to 455 over 3,876.